here we are. This would be like Stockton Creek Part 3. I've went up the towards the end a couple of times now, and now I'm doing the bit between the Stockton Creek Bridge and Dora Creek. So hopefully going to fish both sides. Only got a limited time today, and to be honest, I've only got a limited time for the next week or so. So what we're going to try and do is we're just going to try and get some mess factor onto our MKG Cicada. Just bear with me. So that little puppy is what we're using. Not that you can see it there. There you go. MKG Cicada, trebles, assists. Streak 1000 rod, only brought the one rod. Streak 1000 reel, sorry. The rod is a DFT Shoreflex 1 to 3 kilo. And it's 5'3" one piece. So there you go. Let's start our morning now. There's someone camping over there, so we're going to try and be a bit respectful to them and not make too much noise, because it is 5 in the morning. Look at that. Straight away. They're not hitting it. Here's the crazy thing. They're not actually touching it. So there's no... Oh, yep. It was about time. Get away from that tree, get away from that tree. Get away from that tree. He seems like an alright model. Oh yeah, he's good. He's good. Oh, tell you what, that's a great start to the morning. He's going to be hard to beat. In this area, he's going to be hard to beat first thing in the morning. Now let's get out into the middle. Let's get out into the middle. He is all kinds of tangled. I'm trying to get out into the middle. He's all types of tangled. He's actually Alright. He's well hooked, so I didn't have to worry about that. Let's put him on the Bragus Matisse. Look, he's going 31 centimetres. His head's not quite at the bottom, but he's at 32. So I'll call it 31. Let's call it 31. Let's get him back in the water. He's well and truly hooked. He's hooked like multiple times here. Oh, I don't even know how he hooked himself like that. Right, first of all, we get that out. That's going to help. Then we can probably somehow we're out in the middle. Oh, it's like I'm doing surgery on this guy. He was so well hooked. Alright. Yeah, bud. Oh, he just headbutted the kayak. He landed and kicked off straight into the kayak. Alright, well, there you go. Great start to the morning. Trying to get the snag out. Oh. Oh. Yep. Get out of there. Get out of there. Don't think it's as big as the last one. Oh, oh, he's alright as long as that. Oh. Yeah, not as big as the last one. I won't measure this guy. He's going in his 20s, something like that. Let's get him. Dude, stop your carrying on. Stop your carrying on. Right, first of all, you are hooked, buddy. You were never coming off. Oh, now rehooked himself. Alright, how is he going? He's going 20. Oh, he's just reaching 20. So he's a good 10 centimetres shorter than the last model. Oh, little hits. Just headbutting at this point. Nothing. Next spot. Surely there's a decent sized brim in there. Yep. He's not decent. I don't think so. He's only 15 centimetres or something. Maybe bigger than 15. He's definitely excitable. He's still a bit green. Oh, I should have let him run a bit. Oh, oh, dude. Oh. How excitable was he? Mate, you're doing yourself a mischief. Oh. The scary thing was, the assist hook, he was not in, he was only lipped in the trebles. By all that carry on, buddy, you lipped yourself again. There you go, off he goes. If he didn't carry on like that, he would have been back in the water so much quicker. But then again, if I had a hook in my mouth, I'd probably carry on like that too, so. Alright. Let's keep going up this bank. Again, something small. You can tell by the splash. He did foul the hook. So we'll go to this set of trees here. So that's a cast you want right in against the base of the tree. But I must have wound that out too far, to be honest. I didn't mean to wind that far out that quick. Must have got a bit too excited. That's the thing with bream fishing. Oh! How in the rat's name, if I was not filming that, I would not believe that. That is a tailor. He has literally come out of nowhere. Just that's a first for me. He's absolutely tiny. And knowing Chompy Taylor and what they're like, he still continue. Oh, dude, give up. He's so tiny. He just came out of nowhere and smoked it. Alright, bud. Off he goes. My God. Well, that was a good boil. Oh, come on. Yep. Oh, he's fast. There we. Still got a bit of life in it. It looks like he's going alright. We'll get the net out for him. He's not, definitely not the biggest of the day, but he had a good showing though. So we'll get the measure out for this guy. I'm just curious because I reckon he could be, from the look over there, I thought he was about 15. But then he put up a good word for himself. So now I'm thinking 20. Because he put up a good showing. Oh. And again, assist hooks. Assist hooks. Yeah. Let's see if we can not. Oh, he's going to go on backwards, is he? He's going to go on backwards. A bit something different. Alright, so he's going 25, 26, so not the biggest. I think he's the second or third, I don't know. Alright, off he goes. How did it miss? Yep, finally. Oh, where's he hooked? Yeah. Oh, it's still a bit green. Oh, he's... Oh, he's not that big. He just monstered it. I'll give him a measure, I suppose. He's not very big at all. He's about to flip. 23, something like that. It's keeping those law of averages above 20, but he definitely his bark was definitely bigger than his bite, that's for sure. He wasn't going anywhere. So he's caught in 3 locations. 1 assist. There you go, buddy. That's a shocking cast. Something just came out of there. Let's go back there. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Oh, no. I'm going to be so towed up here. Come on, out of it. Oh, it's rubbing already. It's caught on something. I'm just trying to hold pressure. Let it out. I can hear it. I can feel it rubbing. Oh. Something just let go. No, he's still on. Come on. He's got to be the biggest of the day. Come on, I don't want him to... Oh, his snags all through there too. Oh, he's definitely the biggest of the day. Oh. Let's get out of here. Oh, there's so many rocks and everything down there. I just seen another bream, to be honest. Let's get out of there. Let's reverse out. What a great bream that is. It's not a PB, but what a great species. That is top water. The assist hook's doing the damage. Wow, he weighs some. Just going to try and... Merry Christmas to me. This is Christmas morning. And we've got a 30. Oh, Jesus. That fell out. That was lucky. Jesus. Just keen to go. Wow. That definitely brightened up my morning. Oh no, busted me off in the trees. Yep, busting me off in the trees. What a great fish that was. Well, that is it. I'm heading back home. That snapped at the braid. It did not snap at my leader knot that I thought originally. So I just had a quick look at it then. It definitely snapped on my braid, so it clearly took me under a lot further than I thought. Another MKG lure taken to the Bream gods. What a weird day. Caught that baby tail. I caught some nice bream, some small bream, some larger bream. Fishing this west side of Stockton Creek, which I hadn't done. And that pretty much knocks off the complete Stockton Creek in the last 3-4 videos. And it has been good fun. I've really enjoyed it. Cicada fishing is probably my favourite type of fishing, or just top water fishing in general is my favourite. So really, really good fun. One thing I will mention about this creek, the middle of it is about 2 metres deep. Definitely a good flatty spot with the amount of mud, mangroves, cicadas. There's lots of mullet in this thing, so definitely going to be good on the flatties. Not too sure how the vibes will go. Now it's just dropped to 2.5 metres. I'm not too sure how the vibes will go because it's so snaggy. So that's one thing to look out for. Maybe weedless grubs or weedless paddle tails or something like that. Or if you've got like some type of diver that dives to about 2 metres. Because if you go 2.5, you're probably going to get snagged up a lot. It's pretty muddy bottom too, so obviously there's going to be stingrays and stuff in here as well. But yeah, what a compilation of videos. The first one started at Dora and worked my way up here. The second one was purely just straight up under the bridge and as far as I could go. That's where I got the EP and we saw the deer. The third one was with my mate George, who helped me get that bream out of the snags. Technically he caught it because he netted it while holding the rod, but I hooked it up and did most of the fighting. So who knows who caught that one? Maybe put that one in the comments. George or Mighty Kayak Geek, which one do you think caught that bream? And then today, finishing off the rest of the creek, like I said, baby Taylor, nice sized bream, couple smaller bream. And all in all, beautiful morning, beautiful day. It is Christmas Day, 25th of the 12th, just to give you a rough idea, 8:30. I got out here at 5, so yeah, there's not much else left to say other than I'm hoping to get away for after Christmas. I'm hoping to get away for a couple of days. So if that's the case, you might see me in a different destination to Lake Macquarie. I want to head north. That is my plan. What aspires from that, I do not know, because the weather. If the weather's really bad, then I'm not gonna head that way. I'll just stay at home and do something local. All right. Well, take it easy. Thanks for watching. Like, favourite, subscribe, comment. You know the deal. I always add favourite in there. Don't know why. It's just a force of habit. And yeah. Have a good day, everybody.